how to create such viral video of architecture building assembly from foundation to complete building. First, visit Flow app that is launched by Google. Now here, click on New Project. Now here you have to select Frame to Video option. Now upload first frame in here, and second frame is here. Now type this prompt. Now click here. Here you can see the final result. You can visit on my course section to learn AI for architecture and interior. For more, please share and subscribe. Thank you.